Here we go, speed test for the Wolf Warrior X Pro. Standing start, here we go. 10 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. Okay, here we go, brake test, ABS turned off, got up to 20 miles per hour, see how quickly we stop, off we go. 10, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, brake test. Okay, so as we can see, we had a nice kind of slide, a nice controlled slide with the brakes. Mainly used the back brake, didn't really use the front brake that much. And as we can see, from 20 miles per hour, that's about 40 foot. So quite a heavy scooter with me on it, 15 stone, it's about 40 foot. That's and it comes to a stop. I'll put this down as a marker. And we'll see how quickly we do with the ABS on. Back wheel, okay, and now we'll try the brake test with the ABS turned on. Off we go. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, brake test. Whoa, okay, little endo. As you can see, the ABS turned on, a little bit of shuddering, but look at the difference in the stop. This is the point at which we started braking, and that is about 20 foot, so about half the distance. So you can see that's with the ABS on, and here, same speed approximately, ABS off. So definitely works to have the ABS on despite the shuddering. Okay, so we're here to perform the hill test on the Wolf Warrior X Pro. This is our standard hill for doing these tests. It's a 10-degree slope, about 75 yards in distance. Now the Wolf Warrior X, we've got it in dual motor mode. I know this is gonna get up there absolutely no problem at all, but let's see how quickly she gets up there. Okay, off we go. Absolutely no problem at all. It was still wheel spinning about halfway up, so absolutely awesome. This will take on hills much steeper than this without any issue whatsoever. Okay, so we're here to give our final thoughts on the Wolf Warrior X Pro. We've been testing it today. We've waited a long time to get a Wolf Warrior in, so we're pretty excited to get the Wolf Warrior. We've got the first one that we've got to test is the X Pro version. It's actually the baby brother of the full kind of Wolf Warrior, the Wolf Warrior King, but there was nothing kind of babyish about this when we tested it today. Two 1100 watt motors deliver 60 volts, 28 AH output for anyone who knows what that means. If we have a look, we can see we got the usual mini motors display on any of the Pro models. We got the Eco or Turbo option and the single or dual motor option there on the button. Here we got a nice horn, pretty kind of loud. We got the lights at the front, which are very, very bright. Dual front headlamps, as we can see there, no issue at all seeing in the dark with them. And What we've got here, which is a great feature, is that we've got indicators on there. So indicators indicate the switches, press them once to turn them on, press them other times to turn off. Very, very good. Starting to get kind of up to speed on a road kind of level. If you just come and have a look around, as you can see, it's a big deck, you know, kind of big wide deck, easily comfortable, 2 feet side by side or kind of back and front if that's how you prefer. Come and have a look at this kickstand. This kickstand, I haven't seen a kickstand like that before on a scooter. It looks more like a motorbike kickstand, really solid, and you've got no worries about kind of letting it rest on there. So we have got the 10-inch all-terrain tyres. You can get it with road tyres or off-road tyres. When we tested it with the Mantis Pro, we found that there was very, very little difference on the road with the off-road tyres, but a lot of difference when you go off-road with the off-road tyres. So it seems obvious to us that we should use the off-road tyres. We've also got, as you can see here, we've got a light display. Now this connects to an app on your phone, so you can change this to any colour you want. You can have it go in different kind of shows on it. It's unconnected at the moment, but there is literally any kind of concoction of lighting and displays that you want, you can do with that if that's your thing. And other than that, wow, who is this scooter be for? Well, someone who's got over £2,000 to spend on a scooter, but in terms of performance, this is the best scooter that we've tested so far to date. 44 miles per hour top speed. It can take you up virtually any hill you'll come across. Dual brakes, front and rear, hydraulic zoom brakes, really efficient to get you to slow down really quickly and in control. It's just overall the dual stem on it. Now this is what separates it from some of our other kind of extreme scooters which we've tested. There's no flex in this. This is sturdy, and this is very kind of safe. Overall, what a scooter. Our favourite so far to date. Loved it.